I've traveled all over the world for the last 2 years. I've seen cities like Beijing choked by industrial pollution, ancient boreal forests in Canada that have been clear-cut, and rainforests in Indonesia that have been incinerated. In India, I met farmers whose crops have been literally washed away. In America, I've witnessed sea level rise flooding the streets of Miami. In Greenland and in the Arctic, I was astonished to see that ancient glaciers are rapidly disappearing, well ahead of scientific predictions. All that I have seen and learned on my journey has absolutely terrified me.
In the beginning, it seemed like paradise, an endless supply of resources, ripe for the taking. And take we definitely did. From seemingly nothing, we built entire civilizations, not knowing, for most of it, what damage we were doing, and not caring, for the rest of it, how we polluted, damaged, and affected the world around us. The damage has become noticeable, and then it slowly started negatively affecting our daily life. Soon, the damage will have irreversible effects on people, other species, and the entire planet.
If you look at these panels long enough, they start to tell a story. He said all our modes of transportation, boats, trains, planes, cars, the way we produce our food, the way we build our cities, almost everything we do releases carbon dioxide, CO2. And that leads to climate change.
Each year, we are setting records for the highest recorded global temperatures because of how much CO2 we are releasing, causing glaciers to melt, sea levels to rise, and weather to spiral out of control.
As robust a consensus about human-caused climate change as there is for any matter in science. 97% of climate scientists agree the globe is warming, our climate is changing. It's due to fossil fuel burning and other human activities. Unfortunately, we are fighting this massive disinformation campaign to confuse the public.
It's supposed to be 70 degrees today. It's freezing here. Speaking of global warming, we need some global warming.
What we need to do is stop the inevitable destruction of the environment from happening. There is a fast approaching point where the damage we are doing becomes irreversible. Right now, we are in the brief transitional phase between paradise and destruction. You are the one that is destroying. You are the one that is polluting. You are the one who is going to have to fix this planet.
You are the last best hope of Earth. We ask you to protect it, or we and all living things we cherish are history.
It is up to all of us. Consume differently. What you buy, what you eat, how you get your power. Vote for leaders who will fight climate change by ending fossil fuel subsidies, investing in renewables, leaving fossil fuels in the ground, and supporting a price on carbon.